Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 5, The Flower Bank World. Then, to reiterate, universally good, receiving spiritual power from the Buddha, looked over the 10 directions and said, "The land is level and thoroughly pure, garnished with gold and jewels. Trees in rows shade the land, with soaring trunks hung with branches and flowers like clouds. The twigs and stems are adorned with gems. The glow of their flowers make auras illumining all around. Their fruits of crystal hang like clouds, making all in the 10 directions visible. Diamonds are spread over the ground, adorning together with jewel pollen from the flowers. There are also crystal palaces, showing the reflected images of all beings. Diamonds reflecting the images of Buddhas are scattered all over the ground. Their luster pervades the 10 directions, revealing Buddhas in each and every atom. Arrays of exquisite jewels are distributed well, interspersed with networks of pearl lamps. Everywhere are crystal orbs, each showing the Buddha's powers. The arrays of jewels radiate light, in which appear the phantom Buddhas, each one traveling everywhere and teaching with the 10 powers. White lotuses of jewels fill all the waters, their blooms all various, each shining endless light. All adornments of all ages appear in the crystal fruits. Their essential nature, unborn, cannot be grasped. This is the sovereign power of Buddha. All the adornments on this ground manifest the vast body of Buddha. It neither comes nor goes, but causes all to see by the power of Buddha's ancient vows. In each atom of this ground, all Buddha children cultivate the way. All see the lands predicted for their futures, all of them pure, according to their wishes." Then Universally Good went on to declare, "The adornments of the ocean of worlds of the Buddha are inconceivable. Why? Each object in this flower bank array ocean of worlds is adorned by as many pure qualities as there are atoms in an ocean of worlds.